Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My channel has been growing quite fast lately with a bunch of new views and some more subscribers, so thank you for that, and I really appreciate it because my last video or the video before that got about 1,300 views, I believe. So thanks for that. And I was kind of skeptical about making another video because my channel wasn't really growing and I didn't really have too many viewers, but now I have some viewers and my videos have actually started to pick up a bit and I'm starting to grow, so thanks for that. I really appreciate it because I work hard on these videos and it's really nice to see my hard work pay off. Now, anyway, how can you invest in your 20s? Now, the first way, probably the easiest way, with the least amount of risk, but also the least amount of profit, is going to be a mutual fund. What a mutual fund is essentially a group of well-performing stocks. Now, you can get some as low as $100 or $200. The market has recently surged, so it might be hard to find one for $100, but there's quite a few in the $200 range. So if you only have a few $100s laying around and you're in your 20s, then mutual funds are probably the best for you. But if you're willing to get your hands dirty and you're okay with risk and you're okay with losing a few $100s, then you should look into the stock market. I've done some videos in the past on how to invest in the stock market for beginners, so you can go check them out. But anyway, the stock market is the best place where you could possibly double or triple or quadruple your returns. So the stock market is a very good way to make money. And there's hundreds, if not thousands of courses online, free courses, where you could learn to day trade and make tens of thousands of dollars in just a single day. But like I said, I've done some videos in the past on the stock market, so go check them out. So anyway, another way for you to essentially ensure that you're making a return on your profit is by buying bonds, especially government bonds, because what bonds are, they are essentially loans. You loan the bonds out to companies or the government and they pay it back with an interest. But if you loan it out to the government, then the government won't go broke, so they'll pay it back. So that's a perfect way for you to maximize your returns and ensure that you make your money back. Now, the final way is real estate. So if you're in your mid-20s, you've been working for 2 to 4 years, and you have a couple $1,000s saved up, then those other options are more so for turning a few $100s into a couple $1,000s in a short amount of time. But real estate is a good way to make cash flow, a passive income, by barely doing anything, essentially. So if you have $5,000, you can buy a $50,000 rental property with an FHA loan. And what an FHA loan is a loan it has a bit higher interest, but the down payment percentage is as low as 10%. So the down payment would only be about $5,000 at the least. So you could buy a rental property with just $5,000, and if you rent it out for about $700 and the mortgage payment per month is $400, then you're making $300 a month from barely doing anything. A little bit of property management, mowing the lawn a bit, and fixing a doorknob every here and there, or unclogging a toilet. But if you want to, you could hire a property manager, but that would obviously come at some cost, which would minimize your monthly return, but you'd still make money. So that's one way to turn $1,000 into a monthly income, which is, in my eyes, probably the best way to essentially retire, is rental properties. All you need is probably 5 or 6 rental properties, and if you start in your 20s, by the time you're 65, you could easily get 5 or 6 rental properties. Robert Kiyosaki started when he was 37, and he now owns 7,200 rental properties. That's 7,200. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment on any future videos you want to see. So thanks for watching. Bye.